Hey there. Welcome to Zap Mobility. If you manage 25 or more vehicles, you might wonder, can I switch to electric vehicles? And how much can I save? Let's dive in and show you how going electric can supercharge your business. We work with companies that manage fleets from 25 to over 800 vehicles. These include pickups for site work, staff buses, corporate cars, SUVs, and logistics vehicles like Kikis. Our clients cover over 30 million kilometers a year using more than 3 million liters of fuel. We've helped them cut costs. And we can help you too. We'll show you how much you can save on fuel, maintenance, and operations, and how you can benefit from government incentives. Switching is easier than you think. Petrol-powered cars in Nigeria that drive 2,500 kilometers a month will typically use 400 liters of fuel per month at a cost of 400,000 naira per month. For a fleet of 25 vehicles, that's 120 million naira a year. Switching the fleet to EVs will require 500 kilowatt hours per car per month, so 150,000 kilowatt hours per year. This would cost 33.7 million naira per year, saving almost 87 million naira. Electric vehicles have fewer parts, no oil changes, spark plugs, or fuel filters. A fleet of 25 petrol vehicles will cost no less than 30 to 55 million naira per year to maintain. With EVs, maintenance costs drop by 40% to 15 to 28 million naira. Zap will also provide staff training and support to make your transition smooth. There are a number of operational benefits that come with EVs and Chinese cars. Firstly, you can charge EVs at offices, homes, or public stations, and this reduces downtime. Also, at these chargers, a fast charger can charge the vehicle battery in 45 minutes. Less maintenance, and cheaper spares. As we have said before, EVs require much maintenance of petrol cars, but it is also true that when they do require work, the spares are cheaper. This is because of the massive growth of the Chinese EV sector and the common parts used across models and brands. This means that many key parts are cheaper and abundantly available, reducing operational and maintenance costs. Secondly, tracking fuel is much easier with electricity. This can cut fuel losses significantly. Finally, some extended EVs can travel super long distances up to 1,400 kilometers on one charge. This means that even if fuel is used, then a long journey can be completed in less time. The Nigerian government is offering both zero VAT charges and import duty cuts of up to 40% on new electric vehicles. This makes switching now almost 33% cheaper than it was before. Also, switching 25 EVs will reduce your carbon emissions by 100 metric tons annually, helping your business stay green and earn sustainability certifications. With 70% fuel savings, 40% lower maintenance costs, duty waivers, and carbon reductions, EVs make massive sense for your fleet. With a 25-car fleet, you could save 100 million naira per year, so start your EV journey and get your free Zap Fleet EV evaluation report. Simply click the link to download the EV Fleet questionnaire, fill it out, and send it back sales@zapmobility.com. And within 48 hours, you will get a free Zap report of your fleet and the massive potential savings you can gain from EVs. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more EV insights. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's power the future together.